In this video tutorial, you are going to learn how to build online stores using a CSV import file. Let's begin by installing the PremiumPress shop theme. In this tutorial, we will choose the fishing template, but you can pick any design you like. The website is installed and ready to go. The next step is to remove all the demo content and install our live products. Let's begin by deleting all of the demo categories and taxonomy data. Now let's remove all of the demo products. The next step is to download and install the free PremiumPress CSV plugin. Let's recap on what we've done so far. We've installed our PremiumPress theme, deleted the demo content, and installed the free CSV plugin. Now we are going to add a sample product. Download the sample product in CSV format and re-upload with all our new products. We add a sample product so we have a guide as to what the CSV file format will look like. The data you enter here is not important, so just fill in the basic content. Now we download the sample product in CSV format and open it in a spreadsheet editor like Google Sheets. By viewing the sample CSV file, we get a basic understanding of what fields need to be included in our final product list. If an ID column is used in your CSV file, then it will update any product that currently exists with that ID. This helps when updating products rather than adding new ones. We can also remove columns that we don't need and reorder the columns to help make managing larger lists much easier. Now let's add a test product and perform a basic import. Remember to download your spreadsheet in CSV format. Now all we do is import the CSV file into our website and map the corresponding columns to the theme data. If your CSV file doesn't have a column or value for a field, simply leave it blank and it will be ignored during the upload. Now we save and run the import tool. We can then check to confirm our new products have been added. Now let's take a look at a sample import from a live website. Here you'll notice the CSV file has been cleanly formatted and the import includes additional fields such as category, image and brand. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.